This is Minister Paul in Northern California, Watchman on the Wall, June 10th, 2019. Okay, so this is another not a coincidence. And I'm just sounding the alarm because I'm having a really bad feeling about this. I'll just leave it at that. So, again, the video was on May 4th, 2019. And it was warning this area. The keywords are the Clinton Foundation, New York, London, Africa, Statue of Liberty. See that right there? Statue of Liberty. Warning of attacks. Pray for the children. New York, New York. North Africa in danger. Times Square Church. Prophecy. Wicked, the musical tour. So, I know New York very well now from all of these events that have been happening. Never been there. So here's Times Square Church, and here's the show Wicked. Now let's go to, so that was May 4th, right? Let's go to, it's called the Prophetic Warning Shot that will be heard around the world with spontaneous vision. And that vision was the water turning red as it approached the Statue of Liberty. Today's news on June 10th is this: pilot dead after helicopter crash lands on Midtown Manhattan skyscraper. And look at where they're showing this. It's wicked, which would mean this is Times Square Church. It's a direct. I mean, it's fulfilled. So for what I'm understanding from the Holy Spirit is that this is some type of prophetic warning shot that will be heard around the world. It was 2 blocks from Trump Tower. Still praying on this situation. I mean, right down to the block again in New York. And the prophecy warning went out and is fulfilled in a month and 6 days. So we're in some serious times. I want to thank everybody for sending me emails and pictures and links and news articles about this situation earlier today. Thank you very much. God bless you. Stay in prayer because this was just a warning shot to something bigger to come. May God richly bless you and may you trust in Him always. Amen.